Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anushka. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. Welcome to a vlog. I'm the most dressed person. Okay, so today's plan of action is आज मैं जा रही हूँ मेरे ऑफिस के एनुअल डे पे, तो जिसको हम लोग मेरे ऑफिस में बोलते हैं एनकोर, वो है ताज में, विच इज इन यशवंतपुर. बिफोर दैट मुझे ऑफिस जाना है. प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट डायरेक्टर एंड वीपी के साथ मेरा मीटिंग है. मेरा नहीं, मेरे पूरे टीम का मीटिंग है, तो उसके लिए पहले मुझे ऑफिस जाना है. ऑफिस विल प्रोवाइड ट्रांसपोर्ट फॉर अस टू गो टू द वेन्यू विच इज इन यशवंतपुर, विच इज वे फार फ्रॉम माई पीजी. मेरे यहाँ से आई गेस 30 किलोमीटर कुछ दूर है. And I've never been to fancy hotel and this is my first time and I'm ecstatic to the power of infinity. मैंने अपना मेकअप कर लिया है. I don't know if you guys like it or not. And ये पूरा full face of makeup लेके मैं मीटिंग में बैठने वाली हूँ because right after that we have to leave and I wouldn't have time to change and to do all of my makeup again. So very good first impression I'll be making. Let me just quickly get changed and then I'm gonna show you. I'm not sure how much I'll vlog today or if I'll be able to post this video or not, but I really want to. Not because I want you guys to, I mean obviously I want to share it with everyone, but also vlogging is like a diary entry for me. इतने देर से पंखा चल रहा था तो बहुत गंदा आवाज़ आया होगा. I'm so sorry and let's get ready. Just reached office right now. Probably I am the most dressed person because it's a tech park. It's a normal Friday for everyone, but for me it's not. And yeah, let's go.
ओके यहाँ से मैं दूंगी वॉइस ओवर. सो एज सुन एज वी एंटर्ड वी गॉट दिस बैंड, सम वेलकम ड्रिंक्स एंड वी गॉट अ गुडी बैग जिसमें देयर वर कूपन्स फॉर प्लेइंग ऑल द गेम्स देयर. एंड वंस यू विन दीज गेम्स you will get some kind of goodie or some kind of gift. It was a lot of fun to see all these games and play them with all your colleagues. There were photo booths also with all the props. And I won this game जिसमें you had to get blindfolded and put the bindi on the correct spot of this lady. And this I won. I'll show you at the end of the video what I won. After that we also had some starters and post that we went inside the venue जहाँ पे all the performances and all the speeches was arranged. अंदर जाते ही we met the host of the day. He is an RJ and he is also apparently a participant of Bigg Boss 7 of Karnataka. That is amazing. We had some speeches and after that all the performances started. So these are all of my colleagues who are performing and it makes me so happy to see that all of them have such busy schedule with their work, but they still manage to come every day and practice. We also had few more games on the stage. Post that I went to the restroom and here is my OOTD.
I have not peed in 6 hours because I am wearing a jumpsuit, so I need to get dismantled from this. And I cannot tell you how liberated, levitated I feel that I get a chance to pee. I have my friends who can take me out of this dress and then I can pee. I'm so happy. Little things to be grateful for.
Post that all the food and the bar everything was opened. So सबसे पहले we got a drink because there was a nice band that was playing and यहाँ का कोई भी part मैंने include नहीं किया है because I don't wanna get copyrighted. Songs were amazing, the band was really good. Post that we also had some DJ and we danced and that was it.
This is how I'm looking while I'm vlogging, sorry. This is how I'm looking when I'm leaving, hair in full bun. Love that for me. Let's leave. Hello, it's the next day. मैं आ चुकी हूँ. I'm all dressed up because I was shooting something. So I just wanted to show you guys everything. So as soon as we entered the venue, we got this bag. So this had all the coupons to play the game. सबसे पहले we got one notebook and this is a plantable notebook. I love that. So once you're done with using this notebook, you can plant this. This has seeds in it. I don't know if you can see. इसके सारे पेजेस में ऐसे ही सीड्स है, तो आप इसको प्लांट कर सकते हो. लव दैट आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस बॉक्स हैज इवन मोर सीड्स. ब्रिंजल, साइरस ट्री, आई डोंट नो सीड्स कौन कौन से हैं, मुझे उतना आइडिया नहीं है, लेकिन दिस इज ड्रमस्टिक. सो वी हैव गॉट क्वाइट अ फ्यू सीड्स विद अस. मैंने एक वो बिंदी वाला गेम खेला था राइट, उसमें मुझे ये पेन मिला है जो कि कंपनी का नेम इज इनग्रेव्ड. आई ऑल्सो प्लेड समथिंग जिसमें मुझे ये छोटा सा मिला है. दिस इज अ कैंडल एंड इट सेज अगेन कंपनी का नाम हियर. क्यूट. आई वुड लव टू पुट दिस नियर माई बुक्स. आफ्टर दैट आई वन मोर थिंग जिसमें मुझे ये एक छोटा सा ब्रोच मिला है एंड दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज एज अ मैग्नेट एंड आप इसको पहन भी सकते हो. अगैन इट हैज द कंपनी का. ऐसे कूपन्स थे हमारे, मेरे पास देखो इतने सारे गेम्स के अभी भी हैं. फ्यू थिंग्स क्विकली आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू गाइज. लेट्स गो. Number one, always be humble is something I have realized when I had a meeting with all the VPs, and they're effing VP of the company, you know, and they are so humble. Even when we were at the DJ, he was dancing with us, he was copying our steps. Ek wo gana na cutie pie wala gana, we are doing this, so he is also doing that. So he could have not danced with us, you know, because हम लोग उनसे बहुत जूनियर है, बट ही डिड. ही वॉज मिंगलिंग विद अस एंड ही मेट मी इन अ लिफ्ट ऑल्सो. ही वॉज होल्डिंग द लिफ्ट डोर एंड ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू मी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे एंड एवरी दैट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड इट मेड मी रियलाइज दैट लोग जितना ज़्यादा ऊपर जाते हैं वो लोग उतने ज़्यादा हम्बल होते हैं और ग्राउंडेड होते हैं. एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो बी यू नो ग्राउंडेड. दैट्स वन थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज आई वेंट to a expensive hotel, you know that, right? And I don't know if it's expensive for you, it sure as hell is expensive for me, and I would recommend going to a little expensive places once in a while because that makes you very motivated. चलो आज तो मैं चली गई थी कंपनी की तरफ से and मेरा सारा फ्री था आना जाना, but when I went there, I felt that I want to bring my parents here, you know. I want them to experience the opulence because of me. मैं अपने दम पे मैं इतना मेहनत करना चाहती हूँ, मैं इतना पैसा कमाना चाहती हूँ that मैं अपने घर वालों को ये सब फील करा सकूँ या ये सारी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करा सकूँ जो मैं अभी एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हूँ. So I've got to work hard, I've got to wake up early, I've got to put in the efforts and I have to make enough money कि मैं वो सारी चीज़ें अपने पेरेंट्स को दे पाऊँ जो वो कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, that go to these places once in a while. That will make you very, very motivated. And you know the drill. At the end of every video, I say a few things that I'm grateful for. Just to encourage you guys to practice gratitude. I am extremely grateful that I get to experience these things, and I am at a place where I can experience these things and record and you know document all of this. It is immense privilege that I get to live this life, and I'm extremely thankful for each and every one of you who watches my video. Thank you so much everyone. That is gonna be it, and I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Bye.